Let me show you all gestures and motions available for Samsung Galaxy A07. So first of all, we'll need to open settings on our phone. Next step is to enter advanced features right here, and then when we go to motions and gestures, we can see all of the options. So first one is lift to wake. You can enable or disable each of those options, by the way. And then lift to wake works like this. So if you lock your device and it's sitting on the table, next time you're gonna pick up your phone, then it will wake up the screen. Your screen will basically light up. Then there's double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. So how it works is when you double tap on the home screen, it should lock down, and if you double tap again when it's locked, it should wake up. Next option is alert when phone is picked up. So if your phone was locked and you received a call and you didn't notice that call, next time you're gonna pick up your phone, it will vibrate to let you know that you received a call. Then there's turn over to mute, which means if you put your phone in reverse screen to the table, then it will be muted. You won't hear any calls or any sounds. It will enter a silent mode. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.